What's up, everybody? I'm back with another two deals video, and I got a few deals for y'all today. Some of this stuff might surprise you, so let's go ahead and get on with the show. So first up, over here at Home Depot, we have this Shockwave Impact socket set. So SAEM metrics, 6 points, you name it. All right, these are the creme de la creme, right? Well, these are 109, which is not a bad deal considering they're marked down slightly over 20%. But you see this thing right here? See in-store clearance price. All right, so if your main pickup store has the items on clearance, it is starting to show up on Home Depot's website. So if we click this, we'll see that if you lived in Maryland and you were near that Upper Marlboro store, you can get these bad boys for $50.03. I envy you. All right, so let's move on. We have another one from Ryobi. We have these shrub trimmers and these grass shears for those of you that like to get down on your hands and knees and cut the grass with this bad boy. I'm just messing with you. This is for like in your flower bed, cut down the grass and you spray it to kill it. Not a bad tool to have. This is $149 price right there. But if we click that in-store clearance price again with the Upper Marlboro, you got this for $50 for the kit. Great price right there again. Not a bad tool to have. Moving on, we have, this is not an in-store clearance, it's something everybody could buy, but we have this M18 threaded rod cutter for $272. I don't really know how much these generally cost because I would have never needed this in my life. Probably. So this is for those of you that are heavy in construction and would use a tool like this. But it's $349 on sale, and it's on a BOGO. You add the 5 amp hour XR battery, and this thing breaks down to be $272.82. Moving on, we have this rigid drywall cutout kit. Now, this is a really great price for the tool only. But the fact that it comes with a charger and a 2 amp hour battery makes this thing super duper sweet at $79 for the kit right there. Moving on over to Acme tools. Now, look, before we proceed, I just want to say if you're getting any value from this video, please leave me a like, subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. Thank you very much. Now, don't forget your Rakuten over here at Acme Tools. If you don't know what Rakuten is, it's a free cashback extension like Retail Me Nots up here, which we'll talk about in a second. If you're new, if you use the link in the description to sign up, you'll get whoa. It's usually $30, but it's saying you'll get $40. $40 for signing up. Click the link in the description. You get $40 when you spend $40 in addition to the 2% cash back. And if you've already gotten your Rakuten bonus, Retail Me Not is offering 4% cash back on here at Acme Tools. So over here we have this DeWalt oscillating tool, and it's the XR oscillating tool. And it's not just the tool only, okay? So tool only, this would have been incredible for $99. But this steps it up. You get a charger, you get a battery, and you get a bag. The whole kit for $99 now. Unfortunately, you have to pay for shipping over here at Acme Tools if it's under $199. But the shipping is normally like $6, something small, like not even tax. So incredible deal there. Let's move on over to Amazon. I want to talk back about EcoFlow power stations because there were some crazy storms in the Midwest yesterday. It's been a lot of crazy storms in the Midwest over the past couple of weeks, and I just want to make sure that you guys are covered by way of backup power. So we have this Delta 2 over here on Amazon for $629. I showed you guys this like maybe like a week or two ago, but I want to show you something else. Now, if you buy it from Amazon, be mindful that there are no returns on these products if you buy them from Amazon. But if you buy them from their main store, from their store online, it's $649. You do have a return policy. You can return them if you buy them from their main store. And also, if you make the purchase from eBay, their eBay store, you also have a return policy, 30 days, and the seller pays return shipping. So I would recommend buying these from eBay, honestly, because one, it's cheaper than their main official store, and you also have the benefit of having the seller pay for return shipping. If there's any problem at all, eBay will back you up. So I like buying it from eBay. Personally, that's where I get mine from. Now, you can also take advantage of their refurbished units. So I'm just showing you the Delta 2s, but quite a few items are on sale. So again, we don't want to go to Amazon, and we don't want to go to their official store. eBay is the best place to buy them. But if we check their refurbished units, what is a Delta 2 running for over here? The Delta 2 is, all right, the Delta 2s are running $499. That's a significant discount. If it were me, y'all already know it's $130 difference. Now, you guys know me, I prefer to buy the stuff refurbished because you still get the 5-year warranty. As you can see right here, warranty 5 years on their refurbished units. And additionally, you get a parallel 2-year warranty from eBay through Allstate. So right here you see Shop with Confidence, eBay refurbished, you get an extra 2-year warranty. Well, I don't want to say extra, I want to say parallel, because this is only valid for the first 2 years of ownership. It doesn't make the warranty 7 years. It's the first 2 years. So their refurbished units offer extra coverage. So if for whatever reason EcoFlow gave you a problem, eBay will handle it within the first 2 years, and you're getting a hefty discount at $130. So that is that for the EcoFlow. And again, it's not just the Delta 2 that's on sale. There's pretty much all their refurbished stuff. All these deals are fantastic, and they also have discounts on their newer products as well. Finally, we're going to end up over here at Tools Direct. They had a very small restock, so you can take advantage of some items over here. And always remember that your Milwaukee items that you get here will still carry a small warranty. So it's not going to be the full 5 years, but it'll probably be 4 years and some change, because again, all these things are returns. And if you do have an issue, just hit them up and say, hey, I lost my receipt, but I got this from Home Depot, and they'll look it up through the serial number. And that is it for today's video. Again, if you got any value from this video, please leave me a like, share this with your brethren, don't be stingy, and I will see you guys next time.